you can see, the model is working here. The model is detecting the human with an accuracy of around 80%. The size of the camera is only 5 megapixels, so it can only show this much in the current frame. That's a friend standing over there.
So we have designed flight controller using Node MCU, MPU sensor and blink cap. So what we have done is we have connected MPU with Node sensors and it gets inputs from the blink cap. So here's the blink cap interface. There are 7 buttons on the blink cap, each doing respective functionalities. Those are up, down, left, right, forward, backward and hover functionality. So we'll show you each of the functionality one by one. So first it's left. You get a fan speed of all the motors. Then there's forward, right, backward, up, down, and I'll show you the hover functionality, which is coded using the MPU sensors angle. So when we start the hover, it will automatically take inputs from the MPU sensors and adjust its motor speed so it will not move from this fixed position. So I'm starting the hover. So currently it's the orientation is horizontally, the orientation is stable, so all the fan speed is constant. Now we'll rotate the MPU slightly towards left. As you can see, the MPU is rotated towards the left, so it needs the right motors, that is motor number 2 and motor number 3 speed to be high. So it's showing the result. Now we'll rotate the sensors to the left or to the right. So it's showing you to go increase the fan speed of 1 and 4. Now we'll show you one by one each of the rotations. Forward, backward. Now we'll show you what happens if one of the fan goes low or so right now the fan number 1 it is tilted towards the fan number 1 and the orientation of the other 3 fans is high. So what we need to do to maintain the hover position is increase the fan speed of fan number 1. So that is what is shown in the console. This is the fan 2 when we have tilted towards the fan 2. This is the fan 3 when we have tilted towards fan 3. This is the fan 4 when we have tilted towards fan 4. And when we end the hover, it again goes back to same. We can implement again same thing.
To rotate the motor using the blink cap, the starting speed of the motor is 107. As you can see, the slider is set to 106 now. So let's increase the speed. So we have taken the slider to 115 and you can see that the motor starts rotating. Now we'll increase the speed by taking the slider to 120, 130. So as you can see, the speed of the motor has increased. Now we'll take the slider down to 105, so the motor should stop working. Perfect.
बढ़ाऊं? हाँ। ये स्लो होता है। वो तो आ रहा है। हाँ। बड़ा थोड़ा कम है। तू उसको पकड़ना था। स्टार्ट कर।
कभी एक बंद करता ताकि देखो मोटा दिखे बंद था
हाँ।
क्या चालू था मोटा पे फोकस कर
मोटा पे
अभी लोग चालू होते हैं एक मोटा को रिकॉर्ड कर वो वाला मोटा ये हाँ नहीं एलईडी लाइट लगा देते हैं बाद में अगर वो
कर
This box is a representation of our drone, and this LCD display will show you the commands it will get when the sensors are too close to a wall or it's about to hit something. This is basically a collision avoidance system which we have developed using six ultrasonic sensors connected to a single Arduino. Right now it's showing safe. So let me wait. Yeah, and when it gets too close to a wall, something like a hand, it will tell you to hover back. Similarly, if it gets too close to something on the left, it will display hover right. Similarly, all the other sensors will work in the same manner.
काय काय मग अच्छी तरह से हाँ